Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I've done a couple videos. This is on Corel 2018 in the Symmetry tool. And the more I play around with it, the more I'll love it. It's a really cool tool. Corel has really done a good job with it. But I thought I'd play around with it and just show you a couple things that I've learned. So we're going to go up to Object and get the Symmetry, make a new one. And I like drawing in the center of the page, and you can actually hit P and put your symmetry in the center of the page. Now we're going to make 8. Well, it's because I've got those lines in there. And if you notice, the CorelDraw is not highlighted because it's not part of it. It's grayed out. So we're going to go and we're going to make 8. And I just tonight I did an earring for a young lady, and if she had Corel 2018, it would actually save her some steps, because there is almost the outside. And what I like about this new tool is that you can take the shape tool and then recreate this shape and even look at it as it's going and get it more equal and play with it. And that might be a little bit too big, but this isn't the reason for that video or the video tonight. And you can see we got a swoop and we got a point, so we could make that point and then make them both swoops, and you could play around with that till the cows come on. But this is what's neat: you can take an ellipse and go, let's make a perfect one. I didn't hold down the control button. And then it added those ellipses. Well, let's kind of put it in the center. And it's going to add all of them to the center. Now let's go to Object and convert it to a curve. And let's make this thing elongated. Let's take out this node. Actually, let's rotate this thing to get that top node to the top, and let's elongate it. Well, it elongated them all. So if you wanted another one of those, and this is what I learned tonight, you could Control D and make a duplicate of that and put it anywhere you want, and then actually rotate it to the opposite degree and get it really close or far apart or wherever you want to do, and Control D and make another one. And that's cool. I mean, that would take you a little while to draw. And let's just fill it in with black so you can kind of see what it would look like. And then you click on this and X out Symmetry, and it's done. It's a finalized product, ready to engrave. I don't think there's anything you cannot do with this tool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.